Assalamu alaikum family, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for amazing recipes from this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So guys, in today's video is the most exciting video. We're going to be making delicious full chicken steam roast. So stay tuned for this one to see the spices which we need and how to make it. So first we have to remove the skin from chicken and cut out the excess fats from the chicken just to clean up our chicken nicely. Yeah, and then next we're going to give the chicken deep cuts. I have my husband here giving a hand just to help me with cutting, not because I can't cut, because I just, I have a husband, man. He must help me also in the kitchen sometimes. So it's helping me there, giving some cuts in the chicken. So this is how you should do it. You have to make sure you give a good cuts just to allow the salt and the spices to penetrate in the chicken. Okay guys, next we are adding salt. This is about 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to sprinkle all over our chicken, and next we're gonna add vinegar, half cup of vinegar. And after adding vinegar, we're going to add water as well, just enough water to cover the chicken. And then we're going to soak the chicken in that salt, water, and vinegar for 30 minutes. So these are spices which we're gonna use to make our marinade for chicken. So in this bowl, I'm going to be telling you guys everything we are adding. First is 1 cup of plain yogurt. Next, we are adding cumin powder, 1 tablespoon, salt, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder was not a tablespoon, guys, was teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Teaspoon of chili powder. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to give a good mix. Thirty minutes have passed, and now we're going to remove the chicken from the water and place in the strainer just to drain excess water which is in the chicken. And we're going to pat dry the chicken since we don't need water anymore. We're going to pat dry the chicken using a dish towel, or you can use paper towel. Now in the pan, add oil, just enough oil. Since the chicken is a full chicken, we need more oil. Yeah, I can't say how much oil you should put. Yeah, depend how much and how big piece you are frying. Okay, because it's a full chicken, I need more oil, as you can see how it is. Yeah, so we have to fry the chicken both sides until it's slightly golden, not like, yeah, just a little bit, as you can see the color, guys. Now we're going to remove the chicken from the oil. As you can see, this is the color which we want, not too brown, just a little bit. Okay guys, and we're going to leave it to cool down completely in a pot which we're going to steam our chicken. Add 1 jug water or 5 glass of water. Add some whole spices. What we are adding in here is just for flavor, okay? just for flavor. If you don't have these spices, that's okay, you don't have to add them. Okay, so it's cumin seed which we add, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, this kind of spices which we add. Okay guys, and yeah, back to the chicken, have cooled down, and now we are putting the marinade which we prepared, and we're going to rub, focusing in those cuts which we made. And then we're going to cover the chicken with the foil paper nicely. And there's something which I did not record, guys. In this pot, you don't put the chicken straight inside the water. You have to put any small pot stand inside that pot, inside the big pot, okay? And then you put the chicken on top of that small stand, okay guys? After doing that, you have to put something heavy on top of the lid just to prevent the air from coming out. Okay, and yeah, and leave it for 45 minutes in low flame. After 45 minutes, you can open your pot, and yeah, the chicken will be done. Our chicken was perfectly done, you guys. Was so soft. Let me just show you. Give me 1 second. So you see guys, without touching, you can easily see that chicken is ready. It's so soft, like wow, look at that, you guys. Anyways guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like, smash the like button and comment down below what you guys think about this yummy recipe. We enjoyed our chicken, it was so delicious, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Allah Hafiz. Please try out, okay? Try out. I'm sure you will also love it.